Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok as a campus ambassador. Yes, they are hiring and you can actually work for TikTok, so let's get started right now. Hi guys, just before I get started, I just want to show you on my channel art right here on my YouTube channel. Since you are on here, I just want to show you this link on my right here. You will see that this link will lead to a place where I'm going to show you exactly how I make money online and how I make passive online income this way, and it's one of the best methods to make a full-time online income, guys. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to work for TikTok as a campus ambassador. Okay, so it's going to be really fun because you're going to get all sorts of TikTok swag and everything else. So I was looking at TikTok. Okay, so here's my TikTok, and I've been on TikTok since end of November, and I have 16,000 followers, and it's actually not a bad place to grow an audience right now, and that's why I am on there. It was known as Musical.ly before, and a lot of young kids, 13 and older, or even younger actually, there's a lot of young kids on there on TikTok, as well as kids that are in their teens, of course, and people who are in their college years. So there's a lot of young people on TikTok, and TikTok knows this and wants to spread the word about TikTok on campus. So they are recruiting people who are going to colleges and universities and hiring people who want to spread the word on TikTok. This is how you can find out somebody is a creator. And actually, on this desktop version, it doesn't say, but this person, if you look this person up on the app, you will see that instead of saying verify account, it actually says campus ambassador on there. And this is not just for people with a lot of followers. I'll show you another one here. This person, if you look this person up, this check mark will say campus ambassador on the app, and she only has 46 followers. Okay, and here's another one, 16 followers, and this one's a verified account, but again on the app it'll say campus ambassador. So how do you get to apply to work for TikTok? And it's actually, you go to the site called Fused, okay, fusemarketing.com, and you will find that this is the listing for TikTok to apply to TikTok campus reps, and this for spring 2020 is right now that they're recruiting, so it is really time for you to apply. Do you spend hours scrolling through TikTok and creating content? Are you outgoing and well connected on campus? This is your chance to bring TikTok brand to life at your school. We are seeking proven creators, leaders, entrepreneurs, life of the party people to build brand awareness for TikTok on select campuses. This is more than hosting events and handing out free swag. Our brand ambassadors lead the TikTok community. It's about embodying TikTok and sharing your love for the app with students on your campus. So I was looking at this first one. It says Tempe, Arizona. So I was just looking at that. But this is all over United States, guys. They are really going at it. So I was looking into this earlier, and what I have found that they were starting to recruit people for campus just last year. So last February, I believe, February 2019, they only started with one state, recruiting in one state, like 17 colleges in Florida. And now look at them, they're recruiting all over the US. So they're going to need a lot of ambassadors, guys. So this is a really great way for you guys to be a part of the TikTok community and get yourself verified and work for TikTok and get a bunch of swag so that you can hand them out and do whatever TikTok wants you to do. Okay, so let's just go into one of these to see what they want to look for. Okay, so I just clicked on the Chicago one at Loyola University Chicago, and so you gotta go through the qualifications here. Okay, so you need to be obviously enrolled in that college and have a GPA of 3.0 or higher. And so you need to be a self-starter entrepreneur and impeccable communicator who thinks outside the box. You use TikTok regularly, have a passion for creating fun and entertaining videos, have previous experience creating and hosting events, and being a leader with strong multitasking skills and so forth. Like, you gotta be really responsible and on it. Okay, they don't want just anybody. They want people who are really active and who are going to spread good word about TikTok and really get involved, okay? So active student who knows your campus like the back of your hand. Where are the hot spots? Where are the biggest campus clubs? Best places to eat? You know, you got to be where those places are. Active participant in on-campus clubs, organizations, sports. Like you got to be like basically be really immersed in your college life as well. Interested in digital media and entertainment, basically digital marketing, and you're a problem solver and work well with a team and are comfortable speaking in front of groups. So you need to be out there and know how to engage with people, okay? And they don't say how much money they will give you, but this says competitive compensation. And I tried looking it up all over the internet and I couldn't find it either. So I'm guessing minimum wage. I have no idea, but I mean, they have to pay at least minimum wage, right? So this is for spring of 2020. So I think they're going to continually have new listings for new semesters. So you guys could keep checking this Fuse Marketing. I'm going to have the link to this actual posting in the video description. So go into video description for the full link to the listings of all those jobs here like this. So you can see all these listings, okay? So when you apply, let me see, University of Chicago. Oh, so you just click apply now, and then you just fill out this application, okay? So if you have an Indeed account, then you can just apply there if you want, but you just fill out your name, your last name, email, location, phone number. If you have a resume, that's great, then you can attach one. And then when do you graduate, your current GPA. You need to afford to give them 4 to 6 hours per week to be their campus rep, okay? So they want a certain commitment from you and make sure that you have that bandwidth in your schedule to commit to this, okay? So they want to know more about you, so you gotta give them as much information as possible with these blank boxes. And that's it. And then submit application, and then you'll be fine. In this article, I want to show you is that what they are looking for, okay? So this is from TikTok themselves. We are not looking for someone to hand out flyers or swag at college events. I mean, that's part of what they're going to be doing. But the company writes, we want a leader, entrepreneur, and an out-of-the-box thinker to help build a community of on-campus creators who will use TikTok platform to express their passion and craft. So you just gotta show TikTok that you are a leader, you are an entrepreneur, like you're just gonna be out there and promoting yourself, and make sure your TikTok account is decent looking and you're active. You gotta post every day on there so that they can see that you are using it regularly. That's what they mean by regularly, posting every day, okay? It's not just once in a while when you feel like it. So this is going to be a great in for you guys to work for TikTok and be part of the TikTok team. And so that's what I wanted to show you. There's many other ways that you can make money with TikTok, guys. I do have another video that I will link up here that I have already shown you 5 different ways on how to make money with TikTok besides being an employee, okay? So this is one way to work with TikTok, of course, being an actual employee of TikTok. But without being an employee, I have 5 other ways for you guys to make money with TikTok, and so possible, guys. And if you're not making money with TikTok right now, you're missing out. Whether you're a teenager or a college student, there are many ways for you guys to make money with TikTok, and with my video up there, you can see how to do that, okay? So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I make videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.